Hello everybody, welcome to iExamB. This is a previous year question series and the topic in this video is Depositories Act. In this video we'll be talking about all the questions that came over the past 2 years from this topic, Depositories Act. So starting with the first question, what is the meaning of a depository? The depository is defined in Depository Act as a company formed and registered under the Companies Act and which has been granted certificate of registration under subsection 1A of section 12 of SEBI Act. So here the correct answer is C. This is given in Depositories Act definition of a depository. Question number 2. Any person may enter into an agreement in such form as may be specified by the bylaws with any depository for availing its services. Correct answer is through a participant. So in order to avail the services of a depository, a person has to go through a depository participant via whom the services of depository can be availed. So here depository participant is the link between the depository and the investor and any person. Moving to question number 3. No court shall take cognizance of any offence punishable under Depository Act or any rules and regulations or bylaws made under except on a complaint which is made by. So in order to take cognizance of any offence under Depository Act, the complaint can be made by any of the above, by the central government, state government, Securities and Exchange Board of India, any person. This is given under section number 22 of the Depository Act, cognizance of offences by courts. Question number 4. No depository shall act as a depository unless it has obtained certificate of commencement of business from. The correct answer is C, from SEBI. Certificate of commencement of business SEBI provide karega. This is section 3 of the Depository Act. Question number 5. Who shall be deemed to be a registered owner for the purpose of effecting transfer of ownership of security on behalf of beneficial owner? The correct answer here is depository. The registered owner is always the depository. Registered owner का नाम issuer के पास लिखा होता है. Issuer के register में registered owner that is depository का नाम लिखा होता है जिसके demat account में ये securities हैं. With the depository there is the list of beneficial owners who are actually the owner of those securities. This is given under section 10 of Depositories Act. Question 6. Depository Act is applicable to. The correct answer here is A, whole of India. This is section 1 of Depository Act. Then question 7. A depository requires certificate of commencement of business from. ये एक बार पहले भी आ चुका है. Correct answer is A, SEBI. This is given under section number 3 of Depository Act. Then question number 8. In order to pledge or hypothecate securities held in a depository, is prior approval of depository required? Yes, the prior approval is mandatory. This is given under section number 12 of the Depositories Act. Then moving to question 9. When a person dies, what will be the liability of legal representative for the penalty imposed on the deceased under Depository Act? Correct answer is C. Legal representative will be liable only if the penalty on the deceased is imposed before his death. So here we are talking about the penalty. अगर पेनल्टी डिसीज के डेथ से पहले इम्पोज हो गई है तो लीगल रिप्रेजेंटेटिव लायबल होगा. अदरवाइज पेनल्टी इम्पोज करने के लिए प्रोसीडिंग्स नहीं की जा सकती. हाउएवर डिस्गॉर्ज्ड अमाउंट को कलेक्ट करने के लिए प्रोसीडिंग्स की जा सकती हैं. दिस इज गिवन अंडर सेक्शन नंबर 28B ऑफ SEBI एक्ट एंड सेक्शन नंबर 19 IC ऑफ डिपॉजिटरी एक्ट एज वेल. So these were all the questions that came from the Depository Act. I hope this is helpful. आपको आइडिया लग जाएगा किस टाइप के क्वेश्चंस आते हैं. iExamB helps you prepare 50% faster with crisp and concise content. Subscribe to our channel. Stay tuned. Thank you.